Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open Wix Studio. First, you'll need to log into your existing Wix account. Once logged in, head over to your main dashboard. From there, you'll easily find the My Sites section. This is your central hub for managing all your website projects. It's a straightforward process to get started, ensuring you're ready to dive into your design work. After reaching the My Sites section, simply select the particular website you intend to work on. You'll see an Edit Site button associated with each project. Clicking this button will seamlessly launch the Wix Studio editor. It typically opens in a brand new browser tab, giving you a dedicated workspace for your creative endeavors. This ensures a smooth transition into your design environment. Once inside Wix Studio, take a moment to explore the interface. On the left, you'll find a powerful panel containing all your design tools and settings, offering extensive customization. The large central area is your canvas, where your website design comes to life. At the top, a convenient bar provides options for previewing your site and publishing your changes, making your work visible to the world. If you're starting fresh, return to your Wix dashboard and select Create New Site. During the setup process, you'll be prompted to choose your editor. Make sure to select the Wix Studio option for its advanced design capabilities. Then, simply follow the guided steps to establish your brand new website project, ready for your unique vision. It's an intuitive way to begin building from scratch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.